Okay, today we are working on a Lego project from the Ikea kit. We're going to start with this palm tree. So it's got some of the fruit on top that palm trees grow, and then there's some rocks down in the water, it looks like. So we're going to create this. Let's grab our stuff. Grab a mat so you can work on this. I recommend a hard surface to put your mat on because it is flexible. It bends. When you put it on a nice cushy carpet, it bends too and makes it really hard to stick your Legos on. Now we're going to start from the bottom and grab the light blue one. That is our water. Then we need some rocks. Oh, got one here. Grabbing all of our pieces first. Oh, here's another rock. And we need some of these round ones. They are in the cylinder shape. 1, 2, 3. I think there's one more. There it is. Okay, now we need the green. They look a little bit like triangles. I see this one here. It's like a triangle that's been cut off. There we go. Now we need another one and another one. Okay, palm tree needs its fruit on top. Something not everyone sees. There we go. And now we have everything. Let's get started by sticking it on. Now, the big thing to remember is that there's these little gaps here. This gap goes around this hole. So you want to line them up just so, and it's tricky because you also have to fill these holes as well as that gap. Slide these off so I can lift this up, and there we go. Now I got it. Okay, next up are the brown pieces because we need to put these before we put the rocks so that way we know where the rocks go. So again, there's that little gap there and we have a hole here, so we need to fit one of those little circles in that hole while getting the gap, oh, don't roll away, while getting that gap filled. There we go. Now it's off center, so that means it's not in the middle because we have to put the rocks. So let's stack our brown cylinders. There we go. And time to add some rocks. Now one is beside the tree and the other one is kind of in front of the tree. Next up is our palm branches. One on each hole or on each circle, filling a hole, but you want to make sure that they're kind of straight. There we go. And this one's going to go the other way. So now we have angles. Our palm tree is looking really cute. And actually, that's a done palm tree, in my opinion, because the fruit doesn't grow that often that goes on the top. But we can still put it there because it does look really cool. Now that we finished our palm tree, let's spell the word tree. So I really like these two long ones. I think they're going to make a great base to my letter T, but I want to stick them together. So I'm going to grab this little flat one and stick this on top and this one here. Now we have the T. Now R is tricky. I decided this was going to be the best option for the R so far. Let's see, which way does this one go? There. We could do that, but we need something in between to stretch it out a little bit, give it some roundness. Now let's go this direction. Now we need to go back that way. See, we used the green ones already. So let's see if there's another. Oh, and there's these. That might work too for the R. The only challenge with those is that they only go on top of things. They don't have anything so that it would stick here. So, yeah, they're just going to stick on one so they could go like here. Oh, here's another orange one. Now we need something to make that one go upside down. Okay, so I'm not seeing too many options here for that. What I am thinking is we do a lowercase r. So with the lowercase r, we'll take this off and stick this on, and this one. See, we're getting there. This one, the little dots on the back. And here. TR. Now, we don't have any round ones here to make like circle shapes. So what we're going to do is make capital E's. So let's start with some of these and these. So these and these are what we're going to need. So let's start at the bottom. I like to mix my colors up. And I think that's too close together. So let's stick another one on. There we go. Find another one. And stick this on top. And we have one E. Tree has two E's. So let's grab some more of these. Get this one. Oh, this one. We need another one. There it is. Okay. And we need 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 3 right here. There's another one. Okay. Here we go. Start here. Putting my green one on. Then my white one. My tan one. And my brown one. And now I have the word tree. And I can stand it up just like my tree. There we go. My palm tree and the word tree. I hope you had fun making a new word and building a tree. See you later for another IKEA Lego video.